Hey, what's up everyone, Johnny the Geek here. Welcome to It's Good to Be Geek. I got a chance to check out the Xbox Elite controller that's due to be on sale in October this year for the premium price of $150 US. This controller has a lot of new innovative features, and the first thing that I noticed was that it was certainly heavier than the regular controller. That's because of the steel parts they use to reinforce certain components, making it more durable. And many of the parts can be swapped out for customization. For example, the traditional D-pad can be swapped out for a faceted one, and the joysticks can either be a regular height, tall height, or one with a rounded top. And at the base of the joysticks are the steel reinforced rings for extra durability. And the cool part is that it's all held in by magnets, which holds pretty well. So on the back is a rubberized diamond grip for stability, and the green trigger locks will make the travel distance of the trigger shorter for those of you who are rapid shooters out there. The paddles are also held in by magnets and they are detachable. I personally like these paddles and would like to use the ones on the right for aiming and the R2 trigger for shooting. There's also the ability to save different profiles within the controller and switching between the two. So you could have one profile for driving and flying vehicles and the other for running and gunning. So 150 bucks gets you a soft shell case to hold all your buttons and a nice braided cable. So I know that everyone's been asking if this thing's worth spending $150 on, but what I want to ask you all is if you would actually use all these buttons and spend the time customizing it. Be sure to leave your answer down below in the description, and as always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.